get my chair.
Oh, your chair, but you're gonna use the stool.
Oh, let me get my stool. Hi. I'm cooking today. Hi.
Hey guys, welcome to another video from Food for Thought. So glad you guys chose this video to watch it, and we have a special guest today. We're going to be making some carrot cake, and he's going to be my little sous chef. Ain't that right? So, but guys, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, and if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Ready to do this? Alright, for this recipe, guys, you need 2 cups of flour. Go ahead and put the flour in there, Lucas.
Okay.
Put the flour in. That's flour. Go ahead, come on. The flour, put the flour in here. Look, show the people how to do it. 1 cup of flour.
I should pull this through.
Yeah, not that one. And this one. Put that cup of flour in there. You put that right there, and then you want to put a half a teaspoon of salt. Good job, bud. And then one teaspoon of baking powder. Put it in there. Good job.
It's eggy.
It's eggy, no, it's not an egg. And then another teaspoon of baking soda.
The soda.
Then you want to sift it. Tap it. You want to sift it. This is messy, isn't it?
It's in my hand.
Yeah, it's in your hand. It's all in your hand, huh? So messy. And then we can't forget a teaspoon of cinnamon.
It's my fault.
Here, want to give it a mix? Then we're going to mix it. This is going to be our dry ingredients, right? Give it a mix. Show the people.
Go faster.
And that's it. That's for your dry ingredients. Alright, next we're gonna add our eggs and the sugar and we're gonna mix them together. Gonna add the eggs, Lucas?
Yeah.
Alright, add them.
Dump it.
Dump it.
Okay.
Dump it. Right in there. We're gonna cream our sugar with the eggs. Add the sugar now. A little shake. Alright. Turn it on. You want to make sure you scrape the bottom of your bowl here to make sure all that sugar is not just sinking at the bottom, so you get it well mixed, right? We're going to add our oil, 1 cup of oil, and then we're going to mix it again. Next, we're going to add our flour, Lucas. Come on, add our flour. Ready? You want to add it, buddy? Take it. Hold it. Hold it. Let's pull this down, actually. Add our flour. Shake it. It's all gone. And then we're going to mix. Lucas is going to go ahead and scrape the sides so that it's nice and evenly mixed. Right, bud? Over here. Grab it.
Good damn.
Now it's nice and mixed, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and shred our carrots. Ready to shred our carrots? Shred our carrots up.
Mine, before we go with the carrots.
Next, we're gonna peel and shred our carrots. Flip it. Keep going. It's gonna be like 4 to 6 carrots. Big carrots. Take the top off. Take the top off. Alright, this one. Now we're gonna shred the carrots.
Are you doing the bowl?
Yeah, I'm gonna shred them in the bowl. Keep shredding. Got 4 more to do.
I'm doing it, Mommy. Yeah.
How's that carrot? Just like a bunny, right?
Yeah.
Want another one?
Yeah.
Here. It's the only vegetable you ever eat. You ate it. Oh wait. You want more? So what's your favorite color, Lucas?
Orange.
What's your favorite cartoon?
Orange again.
Here we go! What's your favorite vegetable?
Mine?
Yeah.
Orange.
You like it? He's too busy. He's focused.
I'm like ever gonna get through these
I'm
carrots.
trying because
I'm just saying, like, because it's been, I don't know how long, and we're still on carrot number 2.
Let's finish up. We got 2 more carrots to go. Let's go. Okay.
Chip chop.
I'm never gonna get through all these carrots here. 90 Day Fiance one yet?
Really, babe? You realize this is all in the video right now?
Well, yeah. Oh, I still like the show, you know. I think this is probably enough carrots.
You guys gotta look at this guy's shredding face.
Focused. Focus.
I think you spit out something. I'm not sure what it was, but it wasn't sanitary.
Yeah. Ow. Last time, what?
Yeah. Carrot down.
Alright, ready again. Last carrot. Home stretch.
Dude, there's carrot in his hair.
Yeah, this is fun.
Oh my god, you
it's
put
all
more
up in his
carrot
head.
in his hair. Oh, carrot in your head.
There's carrots in your head. I think that's enough. Alright, now that we got our carrots all shredded, that batter we made, we're gonna go ahead and add all these carrots to it. Now we're gonna add our carrots to the mix. Alright, next we're gonna put it in a cake pan. You can use any kind of pan you want, but we're gonna use a cake pan. We're gonna spray with this Pam flour stuff.
You don't. You
I
don't.
did. You gotta get the edges too.
The edges of the pan or the mixer?
I'm not a baker, I'm a cook.
Obviously.
And we'll pour it in the pan. Edges.
Is it carrot cake?
Yeah, carrot cake.
Is it for me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the whole cake is for you.
You can eat all the cake you want after this is done.
Is
I
it?
lied. No.
Is
No,
it
you're not
my
gonna do that because then you won't sleep and you'll be up all
Is it
night and then
carrot
mommy and
cake?
daddy won't sleep and daddy has to go to work in the morning. Right?
I like the carrot cake.
What about the frosting? Is that your favorite part?
Yeah, I like my cake.
You know you have carrots in your hair, right?
Where's the carrot?
It's in my head.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I came from
Did you make a mess today?
Yeah.
You made a mess.
We've gone
You forgot to set the timer for the
this
cake.
before.
Forgot to set
Oh
the
my
timer.
goodness, this is terrible.
Ready to make this cream cheese frosting?
Yeah.
What's the first step?
It's a bit in the way in the spoon that one.
Nope, you're gonna put the cream cheese in the mixer. Ready? Help Daddy put the cream cheese. No, in the mixer right here. Ready?
Oh.
Dump it in there. Dump it in.
Let me dump it.
You dump that in there, and then you're gonna take 8 ounces of cream cheese and a stick of butter. Right? Put the stick of butter in there. Dump that right in there.
Okay, we put the spoon.
And then we're gonna mix it. Right? And while that's mixing, we're gonna get a tablespoon of vanilla. Put it in there. And then we're gonna slowly incorporate a pound of what? Pound of sugar.
Sugar.
10x sugar.
Yeah,
Right?
you forgot.
Yeah, come on. You help me. Help me put the sugar in. Dump it. Slowly. Now it's coming together. And there, our cake is done. We gotta go check the cake. Perfect timing.
Oh,
Try the frosting. Give it a little bite.
Oh my gosh, that's a
too
big
much. That's too much. Mommy and Daddy won't sleep, and Daddy has to go to work in the morning. It's too much.
spoonful of frosting.
All right, there. A little bit.
I want to bathe
Take a
it.
bite.
Take a bite. Taste it.
Yeah, it's delicious.
It's delicious.
Delicious.
Wow.
This kid knows so many
A
words.
bacon.
All right, cake is done. It's cooled down, and we're gonna get it out of the cake pan. Hopefully, it's cooled down enough, and Daddy can get it out. And you guys can try to butter it real good, or use a pan flour, or if you guys have a non-stick. Daddy's struggling over here. Alright, get that nice and loose.
Gosh.
Nope.
Yep.
Sticky.
My goodness, this is terrible.
It's a cake fail. It's not broken yet.
That's good.
Is it Benedict?
There we go. Now it's loose.
Nothing.
Oh, look at that! Yay!
Spot.
Dad, you made it?
No, you made it, dude.
No,
High five.
you made it.
You made it.
No, you made
No, you made it.
No, you made it.
No,
Daddy.
you made it.
Yeah, you made it.
All right, we made it.
You made it.
Oh, you ready to decorate the cake?
Yeah, go.
Well, I'm gonna let you decorate it. This is all yours.
She said go.
Daddy's not gonna decorate it at all. Ready? You go and decorate it.
Go ahead.
This is your cake, okay?
Use the frosting to decorate
You
the
made
cake.
it for the people. Not good at decorating at all.
You made it.
You made it.
No, you made it.
Oh, you made it.
You made it, Daddy.
Okay. How about we say we made it?
No, you made it.
Are you gonna keep? Are
Daddy.
you gonna decorate?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Help Daddy decorate. We gotta get the sides now.
Oh, we'll get to get started.
That's an interesting looking cake.
All right. That's Lucas' cake. All done.
Done.
Yay!
Yeah.
All right, guys. There you go. That's Lucas's carrot cake for you. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You should, cause he's a cute little kid, aren't you? Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching. You like it? Yeah, you're doing your little happy dance, huh?
Bye-bye.